Hello everybody, this is a demonstration video for the AndRecorder application for Android phones. We will start with AndRecorder-Free. You can see a very easy to use display with a large record button. We will start recording, we will say a few words, and we will wait for it to record it. You can see a recording counter and you can see the file name of the recording that will be created. We will stop recording, and this is the basic functionality. We will now go and listen to this recording. You can see here a list of all the recordings that were made. We can sort this list by either date, name, or date with older first. We will leave the sorting as it is. We can display the recordings that were made today, last week, or all recordings. We will choose today's recordings and we will play the recordings that we made.
We'll say a few words, wait for it to record it. You can see a recording counter and you can see the file name of the recordings that will be created. We will stop recording.
You can see here that the clarity is very high. This is a very good quality recording. The format of the recording is WAV file. You can do whatever you want with it, edit it with various tools, and so on. During the playback, we can of course pause the playback or start it again, and we can stop the playback. We can also choose whether to repeat all recordings. It will play them sequentially. We can repeat one recording, or we can repeat none. We have also various options. When we long click on one recording, we can choose to play it, to rename the file, send the file by email, or delete it. Please note that sending by email, it sends the file as an attachment, and the attachment sizes are limited on most email servers to about 10 megabytes. So you can set it to whoever you like, add your text, and the recording will be attached as an email. We will discard it for now and go back. So let's see what settings we have with AndRecorder. We have the recording header setting, which will define what will be the header of the file that will be created. We have the recording numbering. We can reset it if we like. We have the recording rate. We have 3 rates available. The higher the rate, the higher the quality, but of course the file size will also be larger. The playback buffer is relevant for the residual playback during playback of a recording. We can enable or disable pause recording functionality. Pause recording is that small buttons that we have here. During the recording we can pause and the counter will stop, and whenever we want to unpause it, we will just unpause and stop recording, and the recorded file will of course miss the bits when we paused. We also have enable or disable notifications. Notification is that small icon over here, which allows us to easily go back to AndRecorder whatever we were doing, and we decided we were browsing the internet and then we decided, oh, I have something to record. You easily go through the notification back to the AndRecorder program, but we can of course disable it. We have the recording dates format, the way that the recordings will be displayed. Their date format will be displayed in one of 3 possible formats. And we have the theme, which are icon sets, that we can use different icons for AndRecorder. You're welcome to send me your suggestions. We have the feedback button that will allow you to send us feedback about AndRecorder, and it will have all the details of your device so that we can help you with any problems that might occur. We have the exit button to stop the application, and we are going to have a Facebook page where you can join us, become fans, and share your experience with AndRecorder and your recordings if you wish. We'll exit the free version and we will now see the additional features of the premium version. The premium version has the same interface, except during playback we now have the additional options of creating a ringtone from recording, and we also have the option to directly skip during a recording, during the playback, or to play a double or quadruple speed. Let's do it again because it's fun.
We'll say a few words.
It's a lot of fun to play with this option. So this is about it. AndRecorder, check out the AndRecorder free version on the market. Simply go to your market application, select AndRecorder, and install it. You can see the high scores that this application is getting because it provides what it should. Have fun, and I welcome you to send me your feedbacks about AndRecorder. Goodbye!